Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to ABC English. In today's quiz, we've prepared 10 questions to test your knowledge of English prepositions. And you've got just 10 seconds for each question to find the correct preposition. Before start the quiz, please grab a pen and notebook and take notes on the valuable insights. All right, let's get started. Correct answer. The cat is on the table. Correct answer. John is good at football. Correct answer. This animal is native to India. Correct answer. What do you think of her? Correct answer. He kept all the coins in the box. Correct answer. Peter washes his car on Sundays. Correct answer. We went out to buy some food. Correct answer. The stars shine above us. The bank is near the park. Correct answer. I was born in 2002. Don't forget to leave your score in the comments below and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.